Happy Navaratri, dear readers and friends. Today we will be chanting the Bhuvaneshwari Kavacham from the Maya Tantra. This Kavacha is given in the 12th Patala of Maya Tantra. Shri Mahadeva Uvacha Shrunu Priye Pravakshyami Kavacham Bhuvi Durlabam Yasyapi Patanad Devi Sarva Siddhishwaro Bhavet Indropi Dharanadhyasya Prapnuyadrajyamuttamam Krishnena Patitam Devi Bhutapamaranaaya cha Shukadevopi yadhrutva Sarva Yoga Visharadaha Tasya Shri Bhuvaneshwari Kavachasya Maheshwari Sarvarthe Viniyogasyat Pranayamam Tatascharet Atha Kavacham Maya Bijam Shirah Patu Kamabijam tu phalakam Durga bijam netrayugmam Nasikam mantradamanuhu Vadane dakshina bijam Tara bijam tu gandayo Shodashi me galam patu Kantam me bhairavi manuhu Hridayam chinnamastacha Udaram bagala tatha Dhumavati katim patu Matangi patu sarvataha Sarvangam me sada patu Sarva vidya swarupini Ityetat kavacham devi Pathanad dharanadikam kritva tu sadhakaha Shreshto vidyavan dhanavan bhavet Putra pautradi sampanno Hyante yati param gatim Idam tu kavacham guhyam Sadhakaya prakashayet Na dadyad brashtamartyaya Na paradevataya cha Idam yantram maheshani Trishu lokeshu gopitam Sarvasiddhikaram sakshan Mahapatakanashanam Kalpadhruma samam jneyam Pujayet shriyamapnuyat Patanad dharanat sarva papam kshayati nishchitam Vivade jayamapnoti dhanair dhanapatir bhavet Yam yam vanchati tatsarvam bhavatyeva na samshayah Iti Shri Maya Tantre Bhuvaneshwari Kavacham Sampurnam.